Good morning. A little bit of a dark start this morning. A little bit of a dark start. Just going to give you a little bit of an update. Basically, this is week 4 now. Unfortunately, last week we only managed to do one day, just to do how cold it was, and obviously we didn't want to lay any patios in one of those freezing temperatures because it's not worth us coming back for a mistake which can definitely be avoided. So today the weather's 12, so it's absolutely boiling compared to what it has been. So today what we're going to concentrate on doing is getting a concrete hunch all the way around there so we can get our Astro turf down there tomorrow. We'll be put some small little retaining bed in there. Hopefully you can see exactly what I'm on about because it is quite dark today. Another little raised sleeper bed there, and once that's all done, then what we'll do then, we'll start trying to get all this side of the patio completed today if we can, which would be absolutely amazing. Get that little section in there done, slash row down there, put the new lid in, relay down there, and then hopefully then by tomorrow we can start getting all the paddle stones down and having a really good clean and just start to hopefully get it somewhere close by the end of this week. I'd like all the patios down, all the paddle stones down, and potentially gravelled, so then next year we'd just be doing a few bits and bobs just to finish the job off and any potential extras. So yeah, thanks for watching, and sorry about the video last week, but it was posting one day. But yeah, thanks again, see you shortly, and yeah, let's get to it. Good morning, another day done yesterday. Started the fresh one today. Weather still looks quite good. It's above 6, which is amazing. So yeah, for this time of the year anyway, it's absolutely fantastic. Just going to give you a quick spin round now, just like we got up to yesterday, and then we'll get straight to the time lapse. As you can see now, a small little radius there is done. Astro turf's all been cut in, so that looks all nice. All those flower beds along there are prepped and ready. That flower bed there is prepped and ready once the paddle stones have been removed. Today we must start getting the rest of this paddle stone path down and then potentially jump on the slabbing over there. Not too sure yet at the moment. The gravel hopefully will be coming tomorrow, so potentially just trying to get this looking a little bit better and a little bit more cleaner, ready for Christmas, just so when the dog comes out she doesn't keep bringing in mud and stuff like that as well then. So yeah, let's get to it and see what we can get done. See you in a bit.
You've got me saying words in my head, filling my mind with these images, yeah. And it's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. It ain't right, 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 it ain't right. You've got me all in my feelings, like I could die without you next to me. It's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. It ain't right, 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 ain't right. Oh no, it ain't right, 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 it ain't right, 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 it ain't right.
How you doing? It's Stephen here from DJ's Waterscapes and Landscaping. We've done as much as we can this side of Christmas on this project, so what I'll do now is give you a quick spin round, a bit of a breakdown of what we've completed and what's left, and then yeah, we'll be going home for a Christmas break, so let's have a look. As you can see now, we've got an absolute beautiful porcelain patio all the way down here. Flower beds are all complete now, just waiting for planting. Here is our multi-water feature. We've got a stack-side sphere there, large stack-side urn, and then we've used a small stack-side urn as a little bird bath, just to give the birds a little somewhere to drink and bath and stuff like that. On a night this will look absolutely stunning. We have got the fire element on there as well, which is absolutely fantastic, and we have got a light directly on top, so on a night it's going to absolutely look amazing. The composite decking is now pretty much complete. We've got LED lights all the way down there, all the way down the left side, and obviously we've got a border all the way around, and then we've got LED lights there as well. This is the paddle stone path, just meant to be quite rustic, nothing too fancy. You're going to put gravel plants in these little areas there just to break up the monotony of it. Brand new Astro turf lawn. This needs just to be power brushed a few more times just to get it to stand up nice. Just with like the bits of weather and stuff like that, it's been a bit of a struggle. So yeah, we'll be coming back here after Christmas. There's probably about another week, I'd say, left on this project, but thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll be back in January if it's nice and warm, not too many frost spells. So yeah, thanks again. I really do appreciate all your comments, and well done lads. Hope you have a great Christmas, and we'll see you all up on the new year. So thank you. Bye bye.